I'm trying to do a review on this Harbor Freight Hercules. It's 1/4 inch die grinder, 120 volt. I've done a few carvings with it. It's my first ever die grinder. So I know they say the other blue one brand is the best, but this is the only one I've had. But it's been real handy and useful for me. I'll show you the saber tooth bit. Comes with 2 wrenches. I guess you'd call it just single locking. Don't have to kill it when you tighten it up or anything like that. But for me, it's a big step up from a little Dremel tool, especially on bigger stuff like this. It makes it a lot quicker and handier. Yeah, I like it so far. It's actually quieter than my cheap Dremel tool. I probably got the smallest one, but this is quieter than my Dremel tool. And you gotta watch it though. Sometimes your hand can slide off that, and I've hit my finger on that right there, and it don't feel too good. But be mindful of that and wear safety glasses. I probably should be wearing a glove, but we'll show you a little bit what it does. I'll swap out another bit that I like to do fur with. But if you're on a tight budget like I am, this is, I don't regret buying this. I'm sure Nikita, the one everybody raves about it, I'm sure it's a lot more powerful than this, but this still does what I need it to do, and I needed something bigger than a Dremel for big stuff like this. And yeah, I definitely, you know, if you got a tight budget, I would definitely buy this again. Quick little beard and mustache. Give you a little comparison here. I think it's quieter than my Dremel, less annoying. But yeah, as far as woodworking and stuff, this has been a help to me. The Hercules, see the tag. Yeah, I don't know how long it'll last, but I'm sure if you don't, you can hear it bog down a little bit, but it's never got hot on me. But I'm sure if you just dog it every day, and overwork it, I'd say it probably won't last you real long, but like anything, take care of it, it'll last a little longer. Well, I hope this review was a help to you. If you're woodworking, just starting out and you don't have much of a budget, go to Harbor Freight and get you a Hercules die grinder. Takes 1/4 inch shank bits. Well, that's it. If this was a help, please like, comment, subscribe, and always give God the glory.